Hey, welcome back. Today I am working with Afsisterwig. This is the delicate hairline Swiss lace curly edge kinky straight wig and it's 20 inches. So I applied the Got2b spray to hold down the wig and now I am drying it. Cutting down the middle so I can start cutting the lace to my liking. So I use the Got2b spray to lay down the parts of the lace that's kind of lifted after cutting. Okay, don't judge me. I am now using my scissors to hold down the parts while I'm drying it so the lace can be melted into my forehead. Look at this lace. Like, this really looks like my hairline. Like, oh my goodness, it's melted, okay? This Swiss lace is everything. AF sister never disappoint. So now I'm bringing down the baby hairs, the natural curly baby hairs. 10 out of 10 for this lace though, definitely. Pin the hair up. Now I'm going to use the band to melt this lace, okay? Melt it even more. Now I'm going to comb this thick, lovely hair out. It's so thick and it's really, really soft. After parting, I'm going to use my wax stick. This is going to make the hair flatter when I come behind it using my hot comb. Look at this hair in its natural state. It's really, really bomb. I love kinky hair. Look at that lace. It is laying, okay? I don't even have a cap underneath and it's laying. So I'm going to put this hair in a ponytail after separating it until it can make this flat look. I love this look. Gonna come back with a ponytail and I'm going to leave the hair down in the back. So it gives that half up, half down look. Then I'm gonna take my black clip and I'm going to clip my hair so it can give that fountain look, the firecracker, firework look, whatever you want to call it. I just made that up. Then I'm going to come back with my Got to Be Glued gel, and I'm going to give the baby hairs a little look, a little swoop-de-doop. These baby hairs are really kinky and curly. I love it. I love. So I wanted to do something a little different. I decided to use my little mini crimper, and yeah, I'm gonna give it a cute little style, you know, something different. And that's just the top, and then I'm going to get started on the bottom half. This is the finishing look of this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. All the information for this unit will be down below in the description box. I definitely give this unit a 10 out of 10. You can never go wrong with the Kinky Straight unit. Thanks for tuning in.